Hey, what's going on? This is Mayur here from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my Stand Marketer 2.0 review. I am inside the members area of Stand Marketing 2.0, and during this video I'm going to give you the detailed demonstration of this product. Then we will have the complete walkthrough of what is inside and what does it basically. So in a nutshell guys, Steel Marketer is a like it's a combination where hosting, and you can create your video hosting, and you can build your own agency also. So this way you can create the videos, you can host it, you can publish your videos, and such kind of videos like you can make it your own agency also, where you can sell these services. So this is the business around with the cloud. This is the cloud platform which has the hosting where you can create the videos, and like thirdly, this is the business around this. You can sell these services to your customer also. So Still Marketing 2.0 is a full blown traffic training course equipped with video hosting and marketing suite cloud based software, also known as Still Cloud Suite, helping marketers, local businesses, and website owners to get more traffic, engagement, and sales from their videos. So, this is what this software does basically. So, isn't it great, guys? So, I strongly recommend that you should pick this up. This is going to save you a bunch of money from other competitors. So, that's the reason we are going to go through the video of Marketer 2.0. Uh, if this is something you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, I'm going to cover three major aspects. First, I'm going to give you the detailed demo of Still Marketer software. Then, I have some epic, awesome bonuses. So these are the bonuses. I'm saying it epic, awesome because these bonuses are going to help you out in the implementation after learning this software. And third, we are going to talk about the pricing and sales, the pricing and the upsells on the sales page. So to pick my bonuses, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my sales page, which will look like this. So uh, after coming to this bonus page, you have to click on these yellow buttons that will bring you to the sales page, which will look like this. So you can go ahead and pick this up. So just a word of warning guys, this product is live, and you have to pick my bonuses before this countdown timer hits zero, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you guys to miss out on. So let's check out my bonuses. So before that, we'll just check out some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% automated software, host, plays, and markets. So you can host, you can play these videos, and you can market this product also to get more clients, and you can make money out of this. Creates instant GIF technology, a complete video host agency, 100% beginners friendly. Don't need page builder, hosting anything, support desk inside the software, and all this come with the 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, you have nothing to lose in this product. So let's check out the bonuses. So my bonus number one is $200 per day on autopilot. So using this bonus, it gives you like tips and tricks and latest ideas exactly how you can earn $200 per day, and that is again on the autopilot mode. So the bonus number two is access Jono's headlines ads. So like once you will create your own videos, once you will host it on this site, so you need to have the understanding exactly how you can optimize your headings and descriptions. So basically your headings getting ranked, and accordingly you pull lot of traffic, like the organic traffic only, like if you have the right headlines. So this bonus will help you out exactly how you should have your headlines. So these are the hacks and some of the tricks that has been explained in this bonus. So the bonus number three is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. So with this product, like you can host your videos, but like you need to have the traffic on this video. So either like you're going to like use any kind of email marketing, so that way you need to have an understanding exactly you can get the higher conversions. So these are the five email marketing like super powerful tips that are going to help you out in the higher conversion. So the bonus number four so the bonus number four is access timeless traffic. So in this bonus, basically, uh, this is the info product which gives you the detailed methods how you can get the timeless traffic, like the organic traffic, paid traffic, and different medias, where you can pull a lot of traffic to your videos, and like getting this traffic you have to convert into the sales to make money online. So again, this one is very powerful bonus, and that is followed by the bonus number 5, which is vendor bonuses. So with this, you are going to get all the vendor bonuses. These are like super powerful 5 my bonuses. All everything free of charge, instantly deliver in your account. Even you will just uh, pay for front end for stale marketer, and that too you have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. So just check out all my bonuses. Just go through the sales page. Let's check out the sales page with you guys. 100% control of your traffic, uh, supercharging profits with more clients, zero monthly fees, kick off 2022 with your own done for you video hosting agency with steadily traffic hack included. Clients pay up to $5,000 a month for a service that is a gold mine for business. Get 2022 Ultimate iCloud Video Marketing Agency. So this way you can start your own agency also. Very like interesting product. Convert more traffic than ever thought possible. So easy to get started. Stealth 2.0 hosting, host everything. So you just have to sign in. You have to set up the campaign and search as videos. So instant thumbnails, these are the some of the, like you can say, features of this product. You can go through the sales page at your own. I'm not going to the sales page with you guys, but there are tons of information you can go through the sales page. Let's check out the product demo. So we are inside the members area. This is very nice and clean members area. So on the left hand side we have the navigation system. So you can create your ad campaign, and this way like you can create campaign, upload videos, set thumbnails, set overlays, set meta tags and tracking codes, choose templates. Okay, then we have templates. So this way like these are the done for you templates. So you can select these templates, you can edit as per your requirement, and you can just use it for either for the lead capture, or even you can use it for to send the mails. So this way you can create your own playlist. So this is the storage, like where you would like to store on your S3 or connect your Amazon S3. See, this is the default server that where they are saving this all this content, and even you can connect your Dropbox too. So this is like you can connect to your emails, third party emails, and that way you can use your email marketing also using this tool. So this is like where you can create videos, you can host these videos, and even like getting more host, you can sell this service to your customer also. So this is the members area is all about. Let's check out the pricing. So guys, the front end of stealth marketing 2.0 is for $27, for $47, but with the downside of 27, and on the top of it, like if you try to close this window, there is a discount offer also. So to you can claim this discount offer. So today's price it is going to be for dollar 20.65. So there is a downsell also, even though like for what is mentioned on the this thing. So this is going to cost you dollar 20.65. So upsell number one is still marketing 2.0 client suite unlimited for dollar 47 with the downsell of dollar 37. Upsell number two is still marketing 2.0 cloud suite pro for dollar 197 with the downsell of 97. Upsell number three is still marketing traffic reload reloadx for dollar 167 with the downsell of 97. Upsell number 4 is license right with dollar 197 with the downsell of dollar 67. Upsell number 5 is partners launch with me dollar 297 with the downsell of 127. I recommend you guys you should go for upsell number 1 and maybe upsell number 4 with the license, right? This will help you out like after buying the front end. So this is the pricing and the upsell. So guys, just check out the bonus page. It has tons of information. Also, don't miss out to check out my bonuses also. So they are super powerful. I'm again saying it's super powerful because they are going to help you out in the implementation after learning this. And before like you have to buy my product from my link before this countdown timer hits zero. So for that you have to click on the link down below in the description. That will go to the sales page. So check out the sales page also at your own time. It has tons of information. It has some videos also that you can check out. So this is what all about. So my thought on this, like this is very good, amazing product, very interesting product I can say, where you can like create your own videos. You can host these videos on the hosting cloud hosting platform also, and at the same time around this you can create like your own business also. This is really good product. Someone who is into the like someone who is creating websites or creating videos and selling these services. So this cloud platform, like this is the complete cloud bundle suit with all of my bonuses. This make it really attractive offer, you should not miss out on. So that's it from mine. Thank you very much for watching my stealth marketer 2.0 review. I will speak to you soon in the next one. Goodbye, take care.